and what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with Kia B.
And this is Tech Guy from the Hive.
And we are so excited to be back with you for another unboxing video. Today we have the Quilters candy box. Yes, and I've seen some buzz about this on Instagram, and so I'm interested to see what's inside. I really tried to avoid the spoiler pictures, but I have seen a few, and I know there's some really cute stuff in here.
Absolutely.
So Tech Guy just stays off of Instagram usually, so he doesn't see any of those. So Absolutely. We'll see.
I think the natural reaction is what we're looking for. What I'm looking for.
Okay, so when you open the box, it's always got this really cute pink tissue paper with a little Quilters candy box sticker.
Like a present.
Yes, like a little present. Okay, so we have just our little bundle of goodies, and on the top we have a letter. Usually it's a card, so we'll see what this is. Quilters candy box, big announcement. This will be the last box that is curated by Quilters Candy. I am so excited to introduce you to the new curators and owners of the monthly subscription box, Maker Valley. What does this mean for you? Your account will continue to renew and work as it always has. This transition should be 100% seamless for you. You will continue to get your monthly subscription box, but now the goodies and fabric will be hand selected by Holly and David Lesueur of Maker Valley. I'm so sorry if I'm getting that wrong.
Yes.
And so it goes on to explain why that changed. So that's very interesting. How exciting for Elizabeth.
Absolutely.
She is a phenomenal pattern designer. So and I'm not going to sit here and read the whole letter to you, but I assume maybe she wants to focus more on designing fabric and designing patterns. I know she just became an art gallery fabrics designer, which is so exciting for her. And so, yeah, congratulations, Elizabeth. I'm sure that Holly and David are going to do a great job with this box. Okay, so then it has a little introduction about Dave and Holly from Maker Valley, and then it has the contents listed. And so I don't ever like to look at the contents before we get started, so I'm going to hand that off to him, and then at the end we'll kind of revisit. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing I see is cellulose head pins tulip thin. These are Hiroshima needles. Cute. Okay, I guess I could show you instead of staring at them myself. There's a little tiny window. We're trying to get this to focus a little bit better. I know it might be blurry, I apologize. So, very cute. Looks like some very bright pins. Let me see if I can just get them open.
Are you opening up that?
I will. The fabric is different. It's hard to get it folded back to where it's supposed to go. Okay, so these are, I can't
packaged
get them open.
Pretty tight.
Packaged super tight. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
These are the tulip
They are the tulip
brand pins.
Very cute.
I kind of like the package is actually in.
They're actually tulips.
Oh,
too.
Yeah.
Yeah, the little test bottle is cute. Yep. Okay, so we've got that. And then we've got an enamel pin from Maker Valley that is a spool. Very cute.
That's pretty cool.
There we go. Very cute. Okay. Then we've got some sewing heart sticker packs. Okay. There are
some fun stickers for your planner, maybe?
Yeah, some very fun stickers for your planner. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is not going to focus. Put it, there we go. Okay, so we've got some really fun stickers. Then we've got the fabric. Yay. Oh my goodness. Okay, this fabric is called Trixie. It's a fat eighth bundle. And we just got the sweetest box from a very sweet lady who sent us 2 Band-Aids. And the fabric that she used, I can't get the package open. The fabric that she used was incredibly cute, and I wanted to immediately find out where it was from. Because the Band-Aids that she made, I can't get this open. Can you, Tech Guy? Okay. So the Band-Aids that she made are incredibly cute. They have these tiny little like mice and bunnies and cute little strawberries and stuff on it. And I thought, oh my goodness, like I have to figure out what fabric this is. So we want to thank her for sending us that adorable box. If I had the Band-Aids right here close, we would show you. But she did, and it's this fabric. I'm pretty sure it is. Let me scoot this down.
If not, tell us.
Yes.
We're still looking for it.
So this is Trixie by Heather Ross for Wyndham Fabrics. Okay, look at that, you guys. Look at the mouse. That is so cute. Okay, and here's some tiny strawberries that I was talking about. Okay, and the cutest tiny gingham. Look at, I mean, they're like micro print.
It's pretty
They're
cool.
so cute. Roses.
And it's a fat eighth bundle.
Yes. And then like bright orange with the strawberries. And let's see, orange gingham. And then, oh, that looks to be a bigger print. Okay, so there must be something bigger on that. And then we've got more mice and more strawberries and more gingham. This green gingham. Oh my goodness, that's cute.
You kept it all together.
I cannot wait to make something with this. Yep. Seriously, that's cute. Okay, so that is a fat eighth bundle. And what is this? So this is a little magnet.
Yep.
So we've got that. Is super cute. That matches those stickers, but this one's a magnet. And then we've got Maker Valley, a notebook, a grid paper notebook. So it just says Maker on the outside, and that is made by Maker Valley, which are the new owners.
Absolutely.
And then last but not least, we do have a pattern in here. I think it's last, unless there's anything underneath it. Nope, last. Okay, pre-cuts countdown chain, jelly roll, layer cake, and fat quarter friendly. So let's take a look at this. This looks, oh goodness, this looks cute. This looks like something I'm gonna have to make. So this is a pattern. Y'all, I cannot describe to you the material of this pattern. It's not paper.
Like a magazine?
No, it's not. No, it's like laminated almost.
That's different.
What kind? It's like vinyl paper almost. But okay, so there it is. It's trying to focus on my face. There we go. Okay, so it is a countdown chain. You need a jelly roll or a layer cake or 7 fat quarters, and then some fusible fleece and some sew on Velcro.
Okay.
Which is so cool. Okay, so it looks like Maker Valley is apparel, pins, and patterns for quilters, sewists, and other creative makers. So I'm going to show you this. I wish I could tell you, like, what, it doesn't say in there, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Like, what this is. Like, this is the most durable pattern I've ever felt. It's like laminate. I can't even.
Are they changing the game right now?
I'm probably so dumb in like what this actually is. So you can see. Oops, I just dropped the box. You can see they have different, like apparel, enamel pins, different things for quilters and sewers.
Yeah, and I'll put that information down in the description box below.
Yes. Oh, guys, I wish I could show you this one up close. I know I'm not going to be able to get close enough. Let me see. This one right here, if it will focus, says it has 2 seam rippers and it says no regrets. That is the cutest baseball tee. Hint, hint, somebody tell Tech Guy that he can order that. There are oh, these shirts are really cute. Thread happens.
They've been doing it about 10 years.
I just want to stay home and quilt. I just want to stay home and sew. Netflix and quilt. So cute.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that is Maker Valley, and that is the pattern that they sent us. This week is the chain countdown,
which is valued $8.95.
Cool. Okay, what about the notebook?
The notebook is valued $6.
Very cool. You know what this is great for? Floss tubers. This is great to keep all your Mania lists in. So like what thread you need for what, and your progress, because it's just grid paper.
Yep.
So, and I'll show in our next floss tube what I did with my current planner to make it floss tube, or to make it Mania.
Floss tube ready.
So that would be great for that. Okay, what about the little magnet?
The magnet is valued for $3.
$3, very cute. And the tulip pins?
The tulip pins, $8.50.
I already lost them. Here they are.
It's a test tube.
Okay, yep, this little...
That package.
Package,
yep.
Okay. And then the fat eighth bundle?
At $25.
$25. And there are, how many in here? 8? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Very cool. And then the stickers?
The sticker pack is $9.
Wow. So that comes, it looks like there are, oh no, it looks like, does it say how many there are?
No.
Looks like there's a
pack.
bunch.
Just
Yeah.
a sticker pack.
Looks like there's a bunch in there. There are at least 4 because there are 4 different colors, but I think there's multiple of each color. So very cool. And then the Maker Valley enamel pin.
$9.95, which I like that one.
Let me see. I'm trying to get it to focus. Okay.
And it's actually valued over $70.
Cool. And this box is right under $50.
Yep.
So I assume, I haven't heard anything different, but by that letter, I would assume it's going to stay the same price, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. What I don't know, we'll link down below Quilters, quilterscandybox.com, which is where you go to subscribe to the box. And I'm sure there will be directions on if you need to go to a different website or if everything just stays the same.
Right.
So, very cool. Awesome. So that was a great little box. All right, well, leave us your comments down below. We love to hear the conversation and what y'all thought about this box. And thank you so much for joining us on the Hive today.
Bye.
Bye.